First, let's write these numbers down. On the right side, I'll find the highest common factor. On the left side, I'll find the LCM. We start by asking ourselves, what number goes into 12, 15, and 18? What number can we divide all these by? We can divide all these by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Ask yourself again, is there any number goes into 4, 5, and 6? No number goes into 4, 5, and 6. So with the highest common factor, we finished. It's just the number on the left side. So the highest common factor is 3. For the least common multiple, though, we can continue. We will ask ourselves, what number goes into at least 2 of them? What number goes into just any 2 of these 3 numbers? We know 4 and 6 can be divided by 2, right? So let's continue dividing by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 divided by 2 is not possible, so we'll just bring it down. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, we can't divide 2, 5, and 3 by any number other than 1. So it's finished. Now, the least common multiple is multiplying the numbers outside here. 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3, and that's 180. Did you get it? If you do, try this question. If not, follow me again. So let's do the least common multiple on the right side, the highest common factor on the left side, or the opposite anyway. So write the numbers. What number goes into 96, 108, 180? We can divide by 12. We can divide by 6. Let's just divide by 2. 96 divided by 2 is 48. 108 divided by 2 is 54. 180 divided by 2 is 90. Now, what number goes into 48, 54, and 90? We can divide by 2 again. We can divide by 6. Let's divide by 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 90 divided by 6 is 15. Now, is there any number goes into 8, 9, and 15? No number goes into 8, 9, and 15. So for the highest common factor, we stop here. We finished. Just multiply the numbers on the left side. So the HCF is 2 times 6, which is 12. We finished. For the least common multiple, though, we can continue. We look at least 2 of them. So 15 and 9 can be divided by 3. So we can just divide by 3. 8 is not divisible by 3. Let's just bring it down. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now there is no number goes into the 3 of them, 8, 3, and 5. So we'll just multiply the ones outside. The least common multiple is 2 times 6 times 3 times 8 times 3 times 5. That's 4,320. Do you think you understand this? Can you find the least common multiple and the highest common factor for 5? Let me just try to write. 15, 60, this is 60, and 72. Try to do this and comment your answer. And that's all for this video. Thank you for following. Bye. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.